Hey guys, it's another episode of Hyperclink Diaries. From the previous episode, we were adding a new feature that require players to build a boat and equip it in order to fish. All right, so some of the fishing spot or pointers are located farther in the sea, and we're gonna have uh, that's the cover actually. We're gonna have just close this stuff. Uh, and we'll open this one. Yeah, so this is gonna be the icon or the pointer for that where you need a boat and a fishing pole equipped. So last episode we started it. Uh, last episode, and now we're gonna continue it. So we've done the icon. So a recap is we've done the icon, right? And then we did the art for the logboat. So should be okay. Let me just open it actually. Alright, so we did this thing right here. So and that matches our list, right? We did the art done, the art for the icon, and then we did the logboat that's finished. So now we need to code uh, and then implement all this. So this one may take a while actually, so I might have to edit, cut it out on the edit because it looks like a lot of work. I don't think I have the system yet for checking multiple equipment, but let me go see. Let me go check right now. Yeah, I don't have a system for multiple equipment requirements. I don't think I do. Uh, so let's see the logic. Let's see the logic for the so right here. I just wanna. Well, I think it might be required equipment. So I might have if I have uh, if I have placed the system for that good for me. I wasn't lazy and I actually implemented it back then. Oh yes, I did. Yep, I did. Good for me. I wanna pat myself. See, sometimes when you add a new feature uh, on the system, eh, you kind of already kind of like maybe I'm gonna do this in the future. So you kind of so when I code this feature where it required an equipment requires an equipment to do some of this uh, to execute some of this spots like to fish to forage. Uh, if I was lazy at that time, I will just go. You know what? That's too much work. I just want equipment. It's fine. But no, I did the hard work and went maybe in the future. I'm gonna need to check multiple equip items at the same time. It's gonna take me more work and it's gonna be more headache too, right? But it's gonna make my life easier in the future. So I did that. Now, now it makes it easier. Uh, it makes it so much easier. So we'll just have to do is basically do this. I'll just copy this and then I'm just gonna rename this to fishing, boat fishing spot. Okay, so so fishing data, and then okay, well, okay, I get confused there a bit. What do I copied this too, but do I need it for the boat fishing spot? So that's gonna be needed there, and then okay, that's for the okay. So fishing spot. So boat fishing spot. So we're gonna need to have a boat fishing spot on the grid ID. Boat fishing spot. Boat fishing spot. Okay. So then record equipment. It's gonna have fishing pole and a boat. So small boat. Let's just call it small boat. Okay, so small boat. Because in the future maybe I want like an actual ship. You know, the thing they use for cruising the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so that was up a small boat. So now, so we have that thing. So, we're gonna have a pointer type. So, okay, so let's actually just, first thing I need to do is in this location, uh, nor L2, I need to put a new pointer. Uh, so that's what I need to do first. So, guys, I might have to edit this actually, because it's gonna take a while. This coding. So grid data. So okay, so I'm just gonna nowhere. So nowhere here. L2. So it's this one. Okay. So I'm gonna create a new resources. Uh, deep, deep water fish. Let's just call it deep water fish. Okay. So here maybe just 220, 10 pointer type school of fish. No, we need to have a new pointer type. It's gonna call it deep water fish. Deep water fish. So deep water fish, and then we're just gonna use some dipping. Okay, so and then we're gonna Add this here, fish, and then on the logic, on the map code. So, so basically what I'm telling the game is that if this thing is in the, okay, but I don't have the fishing. Okay, so it should show at least. I'm hoping it does. Okay, we broke the game. Let's see. 282, 282, 282. What? No, it's missing required properties on grid model source 282. So the error is here 282. But it's, so let's try uncomment. If I uncomment this, let's see what happens. Yeah, so this is what's okay, that's not what's breaking it. Lotto extension, and we close the Lotto extension, but good. I'm being sarcastic, it's not good. Uh, okay, so here, so let's fix this one first. So, can read properties of undefined for each 121, 121. Grid IDs, both, so it's grid model first. Oh, source models, grid model. Okay, so we gotta create something here. Boat fishing spot. Okay, so okay, so that's okay. So now let's try that. So now normal has this missing required property. So if I uncomment this, if it's gonna work. So this was, yeah, so okay, so this is what's causing the error. So we're gonna save that, and then here we're gonna edit this a bit. This is gonna take a bit of time because it's a bit more complicated. So not good. Okay, so here at the remote source, where's the fish? Foraging spot, number, rock, flower. Okay, so pointer type, deep water fish, deep water fish, pointer type, deep water fish. Right, so the data source, deep water fish, good. Fishing, boat fishing spot pointer, so boat fishing spot pointer. Okay, so now I just have to apply that. The model. Okay, so now I have to create the symbol for this, which is boat fishing spot pointer icon boat fish boat fish. Okay, so I just have to create that now. So just have to do this. Okay, and then go here. And let's do so file SVG. So just have to copy this here. So ID is gonna be okay. What next? The fish. Okay, so buildings, resources, map icon, boat fish. Okay, so that's the okay now. Okay, so now it's showing here. Right, so now it's showing here. The thing we're gonna do next is we're gonna we're gonna make it when you click it. Okay, so it's showing now. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off the episode here, and we're gonna continue it on the next episode. Uh, so now if we go to the our note, we've so we installed, so the icon is visible, is now visible on the map. So we need to sometimes this when writing notes is just a good practice. It just kind of organize your your thoughts about how to solve the problem. So I need to so I need to so one click one click it need to show the appropriate uh, text, appropriate response. Uh, okay, so it's done. So that's done. Right, so this one is not done. So okay, so that's the next step. Okay, so that's about it for this video.